Thinking about buying a used Range Rover Evoque? This video could save you thousands. Today we're breaking down the bad years, the risky powertrains, and what to check before you buy. The Evoque looks amazing, but some model years come with serious reliability problems. We're focusing on real owner patterns, common failures, and practical buying advice. Not every Evoque is bad, but some years are clearly riskier than others. If you buy blindly, repairs can quickly erase any deal you thought you got. If you buy smart, the Evoque can still be a stylish and enjoyable SUV. So let's start with the years many owners report the most trouble with. The first high-risk group is early production years with more electrical and drivetrain complaints. Many buyers were attracted by price and design, then got hit with expensive surprises. One major issue reported in bad years is timing chain wear and tensioner problems. Left unchecked, timing chain issues can lead to catastrophic engine damage. Another common pain point is turbo-related performance and oil consumption complaints. Some owners also report coolant leaks and overheating symptoms. Transmission behavior in problematic years can include harsh shifts and hesitation. Driveline noises under acceleration are another warning sign buyers should not ignore. Electrical gremlins are also a recurring Evoque complaint in weaker years. Infotainment freezes, random warning lights, and sensor faults show up repeatedly. Battery and charging system issues can trigger a chain reaction of false alerts. That means one small fault can look like multiple expensive problems. Let's talk specific risk windows buyers should treat carefully. Early 2012 to 2015 examples are often flagged for higher complaint volume. Not every unit fails, but consistency of owner reports is hard to ignore. 2016 and some 2017 units show improvement in some areas, but still need careful inspection. Certain engine variants in those years are linked to more oil and timing concerns. This is why service history matters more than mileage alone. A high-mileage Evoque with excellent maintenance can be safer than a low-mile neglected one. Paperwork is your best defense before purchase. You want full records, not verbal promises. If records are missing, treat the price as if major repairs are coming. Next, let's cover red flags during a test drive. Start cold and listen for rattles from the timing chain area. Watch for rough idle, stumble, or delayed throttle response. Under load, check for boost inconsistency and unusual whine. Pay attention to transmission shift quality at low and medium speeds. Jerks, flares, or delayed engagement deserve immediate investigation. Test stop-and-go traffic behavior, not just smooth highway cruising. At parking lot speed, listen for clicking, clunking, or steering vibration. Turn full lock both directions and listen for drivetrain noise. Any warning light, even if intermittent, should be scanned with a quality tool. Interior electronics need a full functionality check. Test touchscreen response, Bluetooth pairing, and navigation stability. Verify camera systems and parking sensors actually work consistently. Check power windows, mirrors, seat controls, and climate functions. Electrical faults can become expensive because diagnosis time adds cost. 1-hour diagnostics can quickly become multi-hour troubleshooting. Water ingress is another issue to inspect closely. Check carpet moisture, tailgate seals, and panoramic roof drains. Damp interior can cause long-term module and wiring issues. Preventive drain cleaning is cheap compared to module replacement. Cooling system inspection is critical on higher-risk years. Look for coolant smell, low reservoir level, or dried residue. Check for signs of recent top-offs without clear explanation. Overheating history can shorten engine life dramatically. Oil condition and service interval discipline matter a lot here. Long oil intervals can accelerate wear in turbocharged engines. Ask for proof of frequent oil changes with correct spec oil. If owner can't prove it, assume worst-case maintenance. During inspection, check for sludge signs under the oil cap. Combine that with scan data before making any offer. Let's discuss ownership cost reality. Evoque parts, labor, and diagnostics are not economy car cheap. Independent specialist shops are often better value than dealer rates. But even specialists can't make neglected examples cheap to own. Budgeting for preventive maintenance is part of smart Evoque ownership. A pre-purchase inspection is mandatory, not optional. Spend a little now to avoid huge bills later. Compression of costs into the first year is common on bad year purchases. People buy for style, then get trapped by repair stacking. Don't let emotion override inspection data. So, are there better Evoque years? Later production years generally show improved reliability trends. Facelift and updated powertrain years often reduce some early weaknesses. But better year does not mean zero risk. Condition and maintenance still beat model year reputation alone. The best used Evoque is one with transparent records and clean inspection results. The worst one is cheap, shiny, and undocumented. If the seller avoids inspection, walk away. There will always be another listing. Patience usually saves money in this segment. If you still want an Evoque, use a strict buying checklist. Full diagnostic scan before payment. Cold start timing noise check. Transmission behavior in real traffic. Cooling system pressure and leak inspection. Electrical and infotainment full function test. Water ingress and drain condition check. Verified service records with oil interval discipline. Independent specialist pre-purchase report. Repair budget buffer already set aside. Final verdict. Bad Evoque years are buyable only with evidence, not hope. The riskiest years can still work if meticulously maintained and priced correctly. But many buyers are better off targeting improved later years. Always compare one Evoque to several alternatives before committing. A smart no is better than an emotional yes. Let the data make the decision. If inspection says run, run. If everything checks out, negotiate hard and buy with confidence. That's how you enjoy the Evoque without getting crushed by repair costs. If you want, next video we can rank the best Evoque years and engines to buy.